Hey guys, Mr. C here. So the videos that you've watched so far up to this point did not take into account that on Tuesday we were having issues with our Cloud9. So what we were doing was just working remotely in GitHub. And so we were making all of our changes to our files in GitHub, which meant that those changes weren't being reflected in our Cloud9 account. So when you guys went through the videos up to this point that didn't include working in GitHub, you probably were encountering some error that says you can't commit to GitHub because you have newer changes on the remote server, on the remote repo. And generally speaking, when you do make changes on the remote, you want to do a fetch before you start changing your local files so that the local files have the updated changes. But the videos didn't reflect that. So there is a way around that fix. And if you guys went through the videos, then all the changes that we made in GitHub would have been made on your local files anyway. So what we can do is overwrite what's on GitHub. Okay. So what we have to do is execute what's called a force push. So from the command line here, after we do our git add and then git commit -n, we'll call this newest links added. Cool. Oh, hat. Only 2 M's. 3 M's is the French way of spelling it. Okay, it says nothing to commit because I've already done the commit. And then normally we do a git push, origin master. Spelling, apparently. I can't deal with my own keyboard. Okay. So you would most likely get this error here. It says rejected, failed to push because of contains work that you have not, you don't have locally. So what we can do is git push origin master and then dash dash force, and that should do it. Cool, looks like it worked. So if I head on over to my GitHub, looks like everything's good to go. Now it doesn't show my commit message because I didn't make any changes to the thing that, so when we just did this most recent add, none of my files have changed for 2 days, so I guess I should have done that so we could see that. But at any rate, that should solve the issue. If not, we'll have to take a look at it on Monday. So y'all should be able to do the git push origin master dash dash force, which will cause you to overwrite your GitHub with what's on your local Git. That includes all your commits and stuff. And then what you guys need to do is you need to submit to Canvas the link not to your repo, but to this page right here. And we find that by going to your wk10 repo, which is the page we're on, choosing settings, scrolling down to GitHub pages, and some of yours I made a comment that this is what you're supposed to do, but this link right here, that's what I need you guys to submit to Canvas. So if you haven't done that, please do that. The project will be closing on Friday night, so please get that done and just have one little tiny change to make and we should be good to go. Okay, bye.